Want to remove an Apple ID from your iPhone? Whether you have the password or not, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to sign out of Apple ID easily. How to remove an Apple ID with password. Option 1. If you know your Apple ID password, the easiest way to remove it is through the iPhone settings. Go to Settings. Tap your Apple ID. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password and confirm. That's it. You're signed out. Option 2, you can also remove your Apple ID remotely using iCloud. Visit iCloud.com and sign in. Go to Find iPhone. Click All Devices and select your iPhone. Click Erase iPhone and remove it from your account. Once erased, the Apple ID will no longer be linked to the device. How to remove Apple ID without a password. If you don't have the password, don't worry. Here are 3 methods to remove an Apple ID without a password. Method 1, Factory Reset. Go to Settings. General. Transfer or reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. Enter the screen passcode and your Apple ID will be signed out. Method 2, iTunes Restore. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes. Put your iPhone into recovery mode and click Restore. Confirm to restore your iPhone and click Restore again. All the data and content on your iPhone will be removed, including Apple ID. Method 3, use MagFone iPhone Unlocker. Looking for a safe and effective solution? MagFone iPhone Unlocker can help. This tool removes Apple ID without requiring a password. No data loss. Works on all iOS versions and devices. Click Unlock Apple ID. Click Start. MagFone will remove your Apple ID in minutes.